Welcome back with a new update to Chanel Jack and Folks. So today, after a long time, I would like to introduce you to our Miss Chanel because of, yeah, she's not little anymore. When you saw her last time, she was around 8 months old. Now she's fully grown Caucasian Shepherd or Kashkaucharka, and she's almost 14 months. In about 2 weeks. Pretty, Reva, Grandma, Chanel, pretty. Yeah, she's still foolish, still thinks she's just a big baby. So, what can I say? She's very naughty, playing with her bones like always. Chanel. Yeah. Chanel. Chanel. Pretty. Put some. Pretty.